Eukaryotic cells have a nuclear enclosures within the nuclear membrane and form a large complex organism. Protozoa, fungi, plants, and animals all have a eukaryotic cells. They can maintain different environments in a single cells and allow them to carry out the various metabolites reactions. Eukaryotic cells also helps them to grow many times larger than the prokaryotic cells. Next is characteristic of eukaryotic cells. First, eukaryotic cells have the nucleus enclosed within the nuclear membrane. The cells has a mitochondria. Flagella and cilia are the locomotory organs in the eukaryotic cells. A cell wall is outermost layer of eukaryotic cells. The cells divide by the process called mitosis. The eukaryotic cells contain a cytoskeleton structure. The nucleus contain a single linear and DNA which carries all the genetic informations. Next, structure of eukaryotic cells. First, first point, plasma membrane. The plasma membrane separates the cell from the outside environment. It comprises specific embedded proteins which helps in a exchange of a substance in and out of the cells. Next is cell wall. A cell wall is a reed structure present outside the plant cell. It is however absent in animal cells. It comprises specific embedded proteins which helps in exchange, etc. It provides shape to cells and helps in a cell-to-cell interactions. It is a protective layer that protects the cell from any injury or pathogen attack. Next is cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is present inside the cytoplasm, which consists of microfilaments, microtubules, and fibers to provide perfect shape to the cells, anchor to organelles and structure and stimulate the cell movement. Next is endoplasmic reticulum. It is a network of small tubular structures that divided the cell structure into the two different lumina and extraluminal. Endoplasmic reticulum has two different types. First is rough endoplasmic reticulum, which contains a ribosome, and second is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which does not contain ribosomes. Next is nucleus. The nucleoplasm enclosed within the nucleus contains DNA and proteins. The nuclear envelope consists of two layers, the outermost membrane and the inner membrane. Both membranes are permeable to ions molecule and RNA material. Ribosomes production also takes place inside the nucleus. Next is Golgi apparatus. It is made up of a flat disc-shaped structure called cistern. It is absent in red blood cells of human and sieve cells of plants. They are arranged parallel and concentrically near to the nucleus. It is an important site for the formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. Next is ribosomes. There are main sites of protein synthesis and are composed of protein and ribonucleic acid. Next is mitochondria. These are also called as powerhouse of cell because they produce energy. It consists of outer membrane and inner membrane. The inner membrane is divided into folds called as cristae. They help in the regulation of cell metabolism. Next is lysosomes. They are also called as suicidal bags because they possess hydrolytic enzyme to digest protein, lipid, carbohydrate, and nucleic acid. Next is plastids. These are double membrane structure and are found only in the plant cells. There are three types of plastids. First is chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Next, examples of eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are exclusively found in plants, animals, fungi, protozoa, and other complex organisms. Following are the examples of eukaryotic cells. First is the plant cells. The cell wall is made up of cellulose which provide support to the plant. It has a large vessels which maintain the trigger pressures. The plant cells contains chloroplast which aids in the process of photosynthesis. Second is fungal cells. The cell wall is made up of chitin. Some fungi have holes known as septa which allows the organelles and cytoplasm to pass throughout them.